Hello, and welcome to today's listening practice. This story is called Hangout with Friends. Listen carefully, repeat phrases when you can, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. It's Saturday morning. I wake up without an alarm. The sun is shining and I feel relaxed. My phone buzzes. It's a message from my friend David. He writes, "Do you want to hang out today?" I smile and reply, "Sure. Where should we go?" David suggests meeting at the park at 2 o'clock. Our friend Sarah will come too. We decide to bring snacks and drinks. I make some sandwiches and pack fruit in a small basket. I arrive at the park a little early. The grass is green and children are playing. A few people are jogging. Others are sitting on benches reading books. I spread a blanket under a big tree. Soon, I see David walking toward me. He is carrying a football. Sarah arrives a few minutes later with a bottle of lemonade. We greet each other with smiles and small hugs. We sit on the blanket and start eating the sandwiches. The weather is perfect, warm, but with a cool breeze. After eating, David says, "Let's play football." We run around the park, kicking the ball and laughing. Sarah is very fast. She scores 2 goals in a row. I try my best, but I miss one shot and fall on the grass. Everyone laughs, including me. We take a break and drink lemonade. We talk about our week, work, school, and some funny stories. Sarah tells us about her cat, who climbed onto the kitchen table and stole a cookie. David shares a joke he heard from his coworker. The afternoon feels light and happy. At 5 o'clock, the sun begins to set. The park becomes quieter. We pack our things and walk to the bus stop together. Before we say goodbye, Sarah says, "Let's do this again next weekend." David agrees, and I say, "Yes, it's a plan." We wave and head home. Back at my apartment, I feel tired but content. Spending time with friends always makes the day better. That was the story Hangout with Friends. Now, let's review vocabulary and practice phrases. Useful vocabulary. Hang out. Spend time with someone in a relaxed way. Breeze, a light, gentle wind. Blanket, a large piece of cloth used for sitting or keeping warm. Goal, a point scored in a game. Content, happy and satisfied. Practice phrases. Do you want to hang out today? Where should we go? Let's play football. It's a plan. Spending time with friends always makes the day better. Comprehension questions. 1. What time do the friends meet at the park? 2. What does the narrator bring to eat? 3. Who scores 2 goals? 4. What funny story does Sarah share? 5. When do they plan to meet again? Speak for 1 minute about one of these. Describe your favorite place to hang out with friends. Talk about a fun day you had with your friends. Explain how you like to spend weekends.